So most recently I was working at Hobbiton for a number of years. With the shutdown and COVID hitting, I was made redundant along with the majority of the staff. So I was looking for a new direction. From the first day, I kind of had the feeling we're involved in something quite special.
So the last 5 days have been amazing. It's been a great environment to learn in, it's been a great environment to work in, and I've learned so many new skills that I hadn't encountered at all previously, whether it be driving heavy machinery, whether it be traffic control, and things that I wouldn't have even thought to learn or thought I'd need. But now that I've done it, I realise that these can be carried on to future employment, and they can be used not just for the job that I've got coming up, but I can put it on my CV.
I'm looking forward to getting stuck into the work and making a difference. I have worked in a team in the Army before, and this course is the closest thing I've ever come to that. And I've really enjoyed it, getting to get to know my fellow participants and also learn about them and kind of look out for them and rely on them as well. So yeah, it's been really valuable.
Gives me an opportunity to learn, get tickets and things, and grow as a person, and gives me employment, so then I can pick up skills and actually get into a workforce that is going to allow me to grow and learn and be myself. So it's a huge opportunity for me. It's skills that won't just be used for this job. They can be used all throughout my life.